Hello everyone, welcome to the Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan Factory Tour. I am your host, William D. Frazier. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We evaluate toy and product manufacturers based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety insurance, specific standards, individual export capability, and social responsibility to ensure you get the best business partners in China. Today, we're in Dongguan, a famous toy and baby production hub in China. And we're going to give a deeper understanding to the Chinese manufacturer. So we're going to visit Playgo to see how they operate. So let's go inside and see what they're doing. With over 30 years of experience, Playgo has the capability of designing and manufacturing non-electric and electric plastic toys with a capacity of over 2,000 employees. Now, these toys are exported in over 80 countries worldwide. Here we are in the manufacturing part of Playgo's factory. You can see the employees are putting together the plastic toys. They take a real care to make sure everything is properly assembled, so to make sure the good quality product is going out. They have maybe 50 employees in this location right now, but it's not the only place that they have where they manufacture and similar products. They have both of the areas. So you can see where they're doing a great job in maintaining the quality. Now we're here at Playgo's Toy Showroom. A certified supplier attaches great importance to product safety and aims at bringing out products with supplier quality at competitive price. All products comply with international safety standards such as EN71 and ASTM F963. Here at Playgo is distributing its products to more than 300 customers. Their footprint covers 80 countries and regions by 2020. And Playgo carries more than 800 SKUs in different categories, including infant and toddlers, role-playing items, preschool play sets, outdoor activities, girls only, arts and crafts, dough and wooden toys. We want to introduce 2 of their new latest products that have a patent in China as well as in the US. This is their washed-up kitchen sink for ages 3 years old and higher. This is actually running water, believe it or not. So child, they're cooking a meal, got dirty dishes, and they have the resources to learn how to wash, and you can see that she's very happy with washing the dishes. Also, we have another item here. We have the pasta maker. The pasta maker actually is very useful because it makes pasta. And I love noodles, so it's very useful. You can make noodles and things of that nature. Now, to have these type of products, they must have a high levels of capability and certifications. As you can see, they have the Playgo certificates here, Enterprise Limited. They have the Golden Security Verification, as well as the Certified Registration. They also have here a member of the China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. They're a great member. They have a Strategic Partner Award in 2018. So these are some of the awards that they have received thus far, and they continue to receive awards throughout their 30-year history. Now, as far as I mentioned about some of the toys that they have, now you can see some of the toys that they have here. Like you have the Baby Explorer table, the Little Lion Activity Walker. These are the pop-up things here, the Treetop Marble Fun. You can see how the children are really enjoying themselves, interacting with the marble runaway tiers, and being very involved in the process with enjoying the toys. Very cognitive ability for the children. And back here you have very small toys, but yet very useful, like for the finger puppet. Oh, the finger puppet over here on the wall, you can see those very good. Once you come around, the musical keyboard, great product. If you like moving around, playing your own, dance to your own music, help you to dance to your own music. Also have the 4-in-1 mechanic shop. And here, speaking of music, you got the drums, you got the guitars, you got the trumpet, and you got the little, got it. Okay, as part of the Certified Initiative, we're now inside Playgo's Quality Laboratory Testing Center. Here you have the drop test, where they drop the toy and see if there's any cracks on the bottom to make sure that it's still intact. It's not that the pieces come out, it's just that make sure the toys are intact. And here on this other part here, we have the tense test. And what he's doing, he's testing and making sure that the tension of the item, the toy, can have a certain amount of strength before it breaks. So that's another test that they conduct here. Further down here, we're going to go down here where they do another test here. And this test, this is a very good laboratory that they do. This test right here is testing the functionality of the toy, making sure that the toy works properly. So this is very good testing right here that they conduct. And finally, we're over here, and this is the life cycle test. They're testing to see how long the life cycle of the toy is before it's no longer usable. So there's another testing. Again, we're inside the laboratory of the QC of Playgo as part of their Certified Initiative program. Welcome back. Now we're in the lab, the chemical testing area of Playgo. Here you can see that this is a non-organic testing center where they make sure that the chemicals that they use in the toys are safe for children. So it's very important that you make sure that the safety of the children is at all levels when they're doing their manufacturing. Again, this is the chemical testing area of non-organic products here at Playgo. Okay, now we're in Playgo's Research and Design Center. As a certified supplier, Playgo controls its product quality in line with international quality management system, so overseas buyers can worry-free when sourcing their products. Right now, we're going to have a look at the marketing, research, and ideas areas. They have 9 particular areas that they focus on. One area is idea generation and visualization, design review. The third one is detailed 3D modeling. Prototype development is the 4th. The 5th is prototype evaluation. 6th is design approval and for manufacturing. The 7th area is mold development and tooling, engineering, quality assurance and testing. And the final 9th part of their research and generation, idea generation is the production run. So also we're going to go back down here and look at their design team area. The design team area is where they put all the designs together, and they have a team back here, so we're going to be kind of quiet and not so noisy because they're working very good here. So this is the design team area where they design all their products. Social responsibility is another important criteria of certified suppliers. We mainly evaluate the companies take care of their employees and it implements ethical working practices. Playgo operates in line with BSCI and IETP standards. The company also puts a lot of efforts in taking care of their employees. Let's take a look around at their dormitory. You can see that now we're here on the outside of the dormitory. We have a basketball court and a play area here. The dormitory houses at least 2,000 employees, which is very important for the social responsibility and the Certified Supplier Initiative that through China Toy and Product Association. Here we are at Playgo's Employees Activity Center. As part of the Certified Supplier Initiative, Playgo really again plays very important on the health and welfare of their employees. So let's take a look inside and see what they have. So as you can see, it's very spatial place. They have dartboards here behind us. Sorry, so that you have dartboards here, they have 2 games of darts, and then they have a ping pong table, and they also have a billiards. They also have three KTV rooms. So you can imagine that the employees will come in here and just sing their hearts out, and while some are singing, they're playing ping pong, or maybe they're playing a good game of billiards. Also, what they have in this location, I want to show you how important it is that they take the health of their employees very important. Back here, they have their own gymnasium, a little workout area for all the latest weights and workout equipment that they have for their employees to keep healthy and keep fit. So you can see that here at Playgo, as part of the Certified Supplier program through China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, they take a great importance on social responsibility for their members. And this is a prime example of how a company has taken the initiative to meet those targets that has been set for them. Now we're inside of Playgo's canteen. You can see that the canteen is very spatial and very lighting. You can see the lighting is very useful, and the decoration is very open and friendly. And you can see you got musicians emblems on the wall. So as part of the Certified Supplier Initiative, Plato takes very seriously about how they take care of their employees. And this canteen is a prime example of the atmosphere that they could provide for their employees to enjoy their meals. Hi everyone, I'm William, and I'm here with Benny, the representative for Plago. Hey Benny, how you doing, man?
Hello, William. Nice to meet you.
Likewise. Got a couple of questions for you. How long has Plago been manufacturing toy and baby products?
Plago started the OEM factory in Hong Kong in 1980s. And by that time, there are less to manage running an OEM factory. So the executives decide to shift it to ODM, and we start to design our own products and putting our creativity in it.
So when you talk about putting creativity in it, what type of standards has Plago put into manufacturing the toys? I mean, what type of quality standards do they apply?
Oh, okay. You mean the most important point of?
Yeah, the most important points when they do this. What are they?
We'll say quality. Yes, we put quality ahead of all the other factors that we consider, because Plago always believe that toy is a key factor to bring happiness into one's childhood. So we value quality ahead of all the others.
So you have it, folks. Quality over 30 some odd years, right?
Yep.
And my man Benny here is doing a great job, and we appreciate you folks joining us. And thank you, right?
Thank you.
All right, Benny.
Right.
Appreciate it, man.
Thanks.
No problem.